Ever since I was little, I always remember my mom having a thing for hot air balloons. Well, she's got a birthday coming up, and I came across this print, so I figured I'd make it for her. This is 200% the regular size. Well, my lighting's horrible. I'm trying to do my best. These are each individual pieces, and you can see I was going to reprint these because you can see the infill a bit, but I kind of thought it kind of gives it that fabric look almost, you know, so I just left it. I thought it looked good. And then it's really nice because it can actually hang up. Or I also printed her a smooth cap that she could put on, and she could just have it standing somewhere like that. So I hope she likes it. I think it turned out really good. And after I'm done recording this, I'm going to go give it to her. So, yeah. Another print that I really, really enjoyed doing.